What's up, good people? Styles here. Today we're feeling extra crafty, so because of that, we're doing some crafty-ish. Now this is a project I planned to do like a year ago. We're going to go ahead and decorate our wall using this laminated paper here and some Dollar Tree canvases. And since we're feeling crafty, we're going to go ahead and use the Cricut Easy Press. Did I mention this is my first time using the press? Anyway, so wish me luck. So the press is at 360 because it doesn't go any higher than that. So I'm not sure how it's going to work for sublimation, but we'll give it a go. Anyway, so what we got here is we got laminate pouches. And I seen a video like a year ago when I planned to do this originally. So wish me luck on this one too. So what we're going to do here is we're going to rip it in half. That way each pouch will give us 2 canvases. You can just peel at the seam. And now these are going to be two-sided. One side is kind of frosty, and you got the glossy side. And what we're going to do is the glossy side is going to be faced up, and this is what we're going to sub on. Okay, so we got our canvases here. These are going to be an 8x10, and I did pick these up from the Dollar Tree. However, you can get these from any dollar store or any craft or hobby store. These are going to be 100% cotton. And now, because these are cotton, you cannot sub directly onto these. The canvas is going to be a little smaller than the laminate, but that's okay. We can just trim off the excess. And we're going to go about 5 to 10 seconds, just enough to tack down the laminate. Now this is going to be the Easy Press, the version 1, so this one only goes up to like 360. I did notice that the Easy Press 2, those get up to the 400 degrees, which is going to be ideal for sublimation. Got my images printed here, and I did print it with a bleed. This is going to help me not have the white area. So we've got it lined up, and we are going to use heat tape. We're gonna use our butcher paper and our Teflon sheet because the lamination paper will stick to the paper. I'm not really a fan of this for sublimation. I feel like my image is like cooked. If it's been on here for like 3 hours, what it feels like. So once this beeps, we'll give it a couple of seconds because it will be hot, and we'll see if this worked out or not. Yeah, I'm definitely not really feeling this. Like, it is not intended for sublimation. I'm curious to know if any of you guys out there use your Easy Press for sublimation. Let's see what we, yeah, we definitely, try to see if I can salvage that one little corner and hope I don't mess up the entire image for that one corner. I mean, if it doesn't work out, no big deal. Just another quick trip to the Dollar Tree. Or actually the $1.25 tree. Not terrible. But I've got a slight issue with the lining up of the image. Not bad though for $1.25 artwork. Let's try another one. I'll be amazed if I don't have any ghosting from the shifting that's going on here. But it was worth the try. The next time we do this, we'll definitely use our heat press. Yeah, I don't think I like the easy press at all. Not even for like HTV. But again, when you're feeling crafty, this is what you use. This is the only time you're gonna get crafty styles here. Despite the outcome, I'm still gonna put them on my wall though. That I am gonna do. Until I produce a better set. Hey, if any of you guys out there have a better press and think I should check it out, the P.O. box is in the description below. Feel free to send me one. A few more seconds. And I'm not really sure if I got all the areas, so we may have another press going on here. We'll see. You know, for good measure, we'll hit this side again. So 360 for 60 seconds. Ideal when doing sublimation, you want to have 400 degrees. However, this press does not offer 400 degrees. And I personally don't recommend it for sublimation. I guess if you were in a pinch though, or this is all that you had, you can make it work. For myself though, no. In the future, we won't go chasing waterfalls. We'll stick to the rivers that we're used to. Alright. Go ahead and turn this off because we have no more need for it. This one was pretty decent. Minus the hole. It's not. Anyway. You know what else I did, gang? Somehow, I managed to press my image on top of the canvas. That was rather special of me. So, what we're gonna do is try and press it again. Yeah. Good stuff there, guy. It's funny, no matter how many videos you do, the minute you turn on the camera, nothing goes as you planned. I think that's Murphy's Law, and it also applies to a Monday, which this is. When you get this, however, it may not be. Either way, yeah, we're just not getting any better here. Okay, so that was our attempt at being crafty. It didn't fare so well. I'm not a fan of the craft press. However, we were able to put something on the wall. Next time we will use our regular press, and maybe we won't rush it and we'll get a better outcome. Anyway, once again, this has been Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.